Right then, so I've just had the bottom case on there and checked that the crank spins freely, no problems. But today we're going to check the oil clearance on the main journals. We're supposed to have got here, yeah, crankshaft and bearings, main bearing oil clearance, 0.02 to 0.38, 38 thou, service limit, that's 100 thou, that's a lot. So I'm going to be using these cigarette papers. You'll see that we've got 16 thou per paper. I'm going to fold it over 3 times, which will give me around about 45 thou. So when I clamp everything up, it should actually be, the crankshaft should actually be a bit tight, okay, if I've got the bearing size right. So, paper, where's my scissors? Oh, here. Right, oh, paper here. So I'm going to fold it over 3 times, and that'll give me 45, 50 thou. Okay, like that. Get it right. Don't want it too long sticking out the sides. Place it on the main bearing journal. A dash of alcohol to hold it in place. Just a straight cleaning alcohol. Maybe that's actually a bit too wide, but that shouldn't matter because the bearings don't actually touch the sides. So let's clamp it up. So if all goes well, we should have the crankshaft just being just a little bit tight. Because I'm going to replace these bearings anyway, put in new shells. So the old ones are all obviously going to be slightly worn. Okay, so I've got one. Not going to torque it up all the way, but tight, but without forcing it at this stage. Right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And we'll see how tight this is. Yeah, it's just a little bit tight. Let's torque it up a bit more. Remember, when you put one of the other bolts in, it's going to be even tighter. Right, that's nearly maximum torque now. You can only do one at a time because otherwise you don't know which one you're testing. But you can do all of them, obviously. Yep, that's now pretty tight. Three, 4, 5, 6. Do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's up on. Now we talked about all the way up there. Yep, nice and tight. Great.